Even though I broke your heart, no, that won't keep things apart. Baby, I know, I'm making you up. If you are loving good, anytime you want, baby, back to me.
On the way to Cairo. Naka-seatbelt. Seatbelt tayo. By the way, ang ating doctor there, si Doc Rob. Ayan. Husband of Miss Patricia Javier. Yeah. Mauga ba? Let's go. Sorry. May tanod, may tanod. Ayan. Time check, it's already 11 a.m. Ayan, 11 a.m. tayo pupunta kasi every Saturday and Sunday, ang schedule lang nila 8 to 12:30 p.m. So, abot naman tayo. Along Thomas lang yun ay. Okay, so papakairo tayo kasi nga parang I feel something sa likod ko. So, yeah. Oopsie, oopsie, balasi. Sino ba sila? Ayan. Di ba napakanta pa tayo? Okay. Sino ba sila? Yan. Like what I said, every Saturday and Sunday, ang schedule nila, 8 to 12 p.m. Then, Monday to Thursday, meron sila atang 8 to 12. Tama ba? And then, 1 to 5. Yun yung schedule nila. May morning sila, merong afternoon. Then, sa Friday, supposedly, yesterday ako pupunta, na-message ko si Miss Des. Hi, Miss Des. Ayan, na wala pala sila. Sabi ko pupunta kasi ako kahapon. Pero buti na mention sa akin, na text ako na wala pala silang schedule. Friday pala closed. Nalimutan ko kasi tagal ko na hindi nagpapa-Cairo eh. Hindi pa nagpapa-session. Ngayon na lang ulit. After couple of months. Years na ata eh. Last year, mga June. After June yata, hindi na ako nakapagpa-Cairo. Kasi naman, I feel better naman. And, pero since medyo sumusumpong tayo ngayon, kaya ako magpapa-Cairo today. So, dire-diretso lang tayo going there. Magulo ba yung camera natin? Magulo-gulo ba? Ayan. So, dapat, kapag magdadrive ka, kailangan seatbelt. Ayan. Lalo na kapag may nag-aalala sa'yo. Dapat, lagi ka magsi-seatbelt. Para lagi kang safe.
Even though I broke your heart, no, that won't keep things apart. Baby, I know, I'm making you up. If you are loving good, anytime you want,
Ba't ako kami nito?
back to me.
Hi! Hi! Papakark tayo ng boats. Tapat lang siya ng El Terrazo, itong clinic ni Doc Rob. Hi, Doc Rob! Try natin i-feature. Sana pwede i-feature. Para mapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa ni Doc Rob. We're here! Wow! Sakto, we have parking space. Sana Nagpa-car wash ako kahapon. I'm proud of myself. Nakapagpa-car wash ako. Hindi na lang, may space. Oopsie. Oopsie. Yups. Alright, we're here na. So, okay. What else do I need to bring? Tara, pasok na tayo. We're here na sa, ayan no, Doc Rob's Chiropractic Wellness Clinic. Okay, so let's go. Samahan niyo ako. So, mag-mask na pala tayo. Kasi syempre, kailangan safe pa rin. Let's go. Kaya na tayo. Kaya tayo. Second floor sila. Saan muna tayo? Alright. Thank you! Ayan. So, dito muna tayo. Hot seat. Hot daw kasi ako, kaya hot seat.
Parece que hoy me gustas un poco más.
Okay.
Hola, ¿cómo tal? Son esa mecha, you say we should go and get a room. Parece que hoy me gustas un poco más.
Okay.
Hola, ¿cómo tal? Son esa mecha, you say we should go and get a room. Parece que hoy me gustas un poco más.
Okay.
Hola, ¿cómo tal? Son esa mecha, you say we should go and get a room.
So, pwede natin i-feature today. Pero, let's just wait for the prop. Nakikita nyo ang gagawin niya sa akin. Track and rolls. Say hi to my vlog, Doc.
Hello, everybody.
Hi, that's Doc Rob.
Yes, we are here to improve your
Yes.
spine, your mobility, and the nervous system, so your body's going to function nice and healthy.
Yes,
Okay?
thank you, Doc
Okay,
Rob.
let's do it. Come on over here on your stomach. Okay, so yeah, we got a little bit of a sacral issue here. The triangular bone here, a little off, but really flaring in. So the pelvic rotation affects obviously the hips, the lower back, knees, organs. Well, we gotta start down here first. Let's take a deep breath. Let's exhale. Nice. This side's gonna go first, so on your right towards me. Yeah. So it's real important we're really specific and get the right vertebra or joints that are misaligned. Let's take a deep breath and exhale. Great. Okay. Very nice. Now we're going to go a little higher here. A little bit higher in the L4 right there. Let's breathe. Good. Okay. Facing up.
I missed this.
Diba? Sobrang masarap, right? Getting the mobility back. That makes you obviously move better. There we go. Wow. Yeah. The rib cage expands, communication of the nerve to the heart, lungs improves, so you become healthier. Wow, wow, wow. She did very good. She did good. Okay, tapos na. You're ready. You're so welcome. You can rest now, huh? You might get a little sleepy later because it's been a long time, so there's a lot of stress accumulation.
I should go home after this.
Go rest.
Yeah, thank you, Doc.
Okay, good to see you. Come back soon.
Nice to see you again, Doc.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Doc.
Okay, you're welcome.
So, ngayon, uwi na tayo. We need rest. I feel better now. Alright, so we're done. Let's go. Nagpala tayo ng mask kasi nandito naman tayo sa car. Ayan, Ang sarap lang ng feeling na nakapagpa-Chiro tayo for today's video kasi nga this past few days kasi sumasakit yung likod ko and parang lagi siya nangangawit. So, finally, nandito na tayo at nakapagpa-Chiro tayo. I feel better now. Yeah. Okay, makulit na naman ako. Let's go! Oh, see, para. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Bye. Thank you po. Okay, let's go home. Let's go home. Ayan, I feel better na talaga. Ayan, hindi ko nakalimutan ng seatbelt. Kailangan ng seatbelt. Hindi natin nakalimutan yan for today's video. Baka mahuli tayo. Baka mahuli tayo. Ang bilis lang natin natapos kasi ganun lang siya kabilis. What I mean, yung minutes lang na itatagal mo for that session. Sobrang dali lang. Sobrang bilis lang. Ano kaya masarap kainin? Thank you again guys sa pagsama sa akin. Hope you enjoyed this video. And sana sa mga nanonood dyan, if you have problems sa spine, search Doc Rob's address. Ayan, pero along Thomas lang yun, or near Il Terrazo. Ayan. Thank you again, guys. See you to my next vlog.
Sexy fit na fit, yung flat na petit, tapos medyo makulit. Mahaba ang buhok at mga matay singkit, yun ang aking